So for my birthday I got this cup holder, air vent cup holder. Slides out like this. Wanted it for a long time, but it's pretty expensive. You can buy it here. Now I got it. So I thought I would just do a video on how to install these. They do come with the installation instructions, as you can see here, but I'm always more of a visual learner myself, so I thought I would just make a video of it. I have to do this with one hand, so maybe I can't show everything how I do it exactly, but yeah, let's just see how it goes. So first step, I'm just gonna do this step by step. The air vent, tilt the air vent up, pressing on the top so it faces up, and you should see a crosshead screw. So let's see. This should go like this, and then we have a screw there and a screw there. So this is one of those things that I'm just gonna do off camera, and then I'll show you at step 2. So I actually pulled these things out first. As you can see, it's just kind of, there's two lips or two, I don't know, knobs here. Slides over there, so so just pull gently like this, and you can just pull them out. It's easier to get access to this. It's quite filthy. As you can see, there's also tabs in here, which is not in the instructions, which is one of the reasons I like videos like this. So you just have to kind of pull them upwards, and then you can slide this whole thing right out. Should look like this. I'm just gonna give this a quick clean, because this is going back into the car, so now is your time to clean it. Oh, by the way, don't mind this mess. I'm still working on the invisible audio system, so everything's a big mess, but yeah. Okay, so I gave it a bit of a clean. Yeah, this is what came off it, so worth the try. And so now we have to pull this arm off, so you can just pull this that way, and then slides into here, so you can pull that out as well. And then we have to remove this thing. I'm just doing one cup holder because I only have one, because they're expensive enough. But if you're doing both, then obviously it's just the same for the other one, but I'm just gonna leave that alone for now. Right, so this is the valve. I found that it's your best bet is to try to press this this part, which is in the middle part right there where the hole is, from this side. But it's a really small spot to get to, so if you can get like an Allen key or something on it, apply some pressure, and then it should flip right out. So on this side you can still see it's in there. So now we have space for the air vent itself. So let's see if I can do this with one hand. Should go right in here, and as you can see, there's slots right here for the pins at the side for the normal vent as well. As you can see, we have space now. Click it in. Oops, opened it. Yeah, let me just do this with two hands. Yeah, so there we have it. I wanted to do it with two hands just so I wouldn't break anything, but just push it in until it clicks, and then you're done. So now you can push this back in, and until the little tab right here clicks in. There we go. And then just add the screw back in, and then I would just do the vent afterwards, just slide it back in. So yeah, now it works. This obviously doesn't work anymore, so it's pretty much always on, but we have a cup holder. There we go. So hope this was helpful, and yeah, I'll put a link down as well where you can buy it. So yeah, see you guys in the next video.